YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. Alright, so I wanted to invite everybody to do a 30-day challenge with me. I really wanted to go out on a limb and see for myself exactly what would 30 days of using a waist trainer do for me. You know what I'm saying? Now, mind you, you can join with me if you want to. If you need motivation or anything like that, you can find me on Instagram, The Real Dina Smith. But I wanted to see for sure what this would do for me. So I went on Amazon and I got me a sculpt for Amazon sculpt because I don't have no J-sculpt kind of money. You feel me? Anyways, I went and got this belt, which I will show, over here. And I've been using it all day today. I started just so that I can show you guys throughout the day how it will work. I do an I do an office job, so I'm sitting down, I'm standing up, I'm walking around, so I can kind of tell you how it really is, using it all day. So it's not that hard because I don't have it on tight. Like, it's snug, it's like a good hug, but it's not like to the point where I'm losing my breath or anything like that. So it's not very uncomfortable. I think this is something that I can do for 30 days straight. So hopefully, I will see, some type of results, whether it's 1 inch, 2 inches, or 3 inches, I don't care, just some type of results. So another thing I wanted to update everybody on was my weight loss. I don't know if you can see it in my face or anything like that, but I have lost a total of 20 pounds, yay, since January 27th. I was 169 and now I am 148.8, and I'm very, very happy with my progress. I'm very excited about my progress. As you know, I'm trying to get down to a healthier BMI. So my goal weight is 124, which is on the higher end of the BMI spectrum. But I want to get down to 124. So right now I'm 148. So I have, another 24 such odd pounds to go, which I think I can do. Then also I want to, maintain my shape by waist training. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys like a little quick update on my weight loss and what I've been doing. I've been on the stationary bike, busting my butt. On a stationary bike, you can do, however many calories that you want to do. So I do 1,500, which usually takes about an hour and a half on the bike of full cardio. I only want to do cardio right now because I just want to lose weight. I'm not trying to tone up just yet, but I will be toning up later on in the summer. So you can stay tuned for videos like that. Also, I've just been kind of really watching my food intake and what it is that I put in my body and stuff like that. Yeah, I do have cheat days and things of that nature, but it's really not something that's gonna like take over and slow me down. Now, mind you, yes, when I get my cycle, I do go up as far as my weight is concerned, but I just stick to it and fight through. Sometimes working out actually makes me feel better, with the cramps and everything, but for the most part, it's not too bad. And then once my cycle is done, my weight drops back down. So, don't get discouraged if you get your cycle and you don't feel like working out, because, that happens. A lot of us lose a lot of motivation when it comes to that. So, don't be alarmed or upset with yourself. Just keep going. Don't quit. Okay? So that is my little update. Like I said, we're going to start this video tomorrow on Friday, April 19th, and then we're going to reconvene in 30 days on May 19th, or around that first Friday, that Friday closest to the 30 days. Basically to see where we are, see an update, if there's anything really to this waist training thing that people, are always screaming about. So that is the end of my video. This video should not be too long, maybe 5 minutes or something like that. But yeah, so if you're interested in joining me, you can. and you can keep me updated in the comments. Okay, so I just want to update. My trainer was rubbing me kind of bad, so I had to add a band-aid so it wouldn't cut me, because there's like a bone right there. So if you need to put a band-aid somewhere so that you don't get hurt or have bruising, that's what I would suggest. I will see you in 30 days. Well, you'll see me every week, but for this video, you'll see me in 30 days. All right, bye.